Hi guys! Kahit na may konting sakit tayo, we're gonna do monster upper body workouts. We're going to combine shoulder and back workouts. Basically, we do shoulder and back workouts separately, but particularly today, we're going to combine them in order to achieve monster upper body. From time to time, you can actually do this, especially if you have good resistance from enough sleep and good food, and of course, if you have enough time. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Eric teaches. So let's begin with dumbbell shoulder press. To perform a dumbbell shoulder press, hold the dumbbell in each hand at the shoulders with an overhand grip. Raise the weights above the head in a controlled motion while exhaling. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, one arm overhead press. Maintain the same posture, hold the dumbbell in one hand, lift the dumbbell with the help of your shoulder without bending your back. Make sure to engage your core throughout the movement. Do the same with the other hand, and that will be your complete set. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our third workout, seated Arnold shoulder press. Trivia: what is Arnold press? It's a vertical pressing exercise where a lifter starts holding dumbbells in front of their chest. Palms in, then twist their palms forward as they press the weights straight overhead. You can do the Arnold press standing or seated. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, lateral raise. Grasp your dumbbells by your sides using a neutral grip with your palms facing your outer legs. Place your feet hip-width apart, bending your knees slightly. Continue raising your dumbbells until your elbows reach shoulder height. Your palms should be facing toward the floor. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Another lateral raise, but this time front lateral raise. To perform this, lift the weights upwards while inhaling. Your arms are extended, palms facing down, with a slight bend in the elbows to reduce the stress on the joints. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our last program for shoulders, we will do a rear delt fly. In the starting position, lean your torso against the seat but with an upright posture. Grab the top part of the handles with a pronated grip. Knuckles up. Bring the levers back to the starting position slowly. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Now we're done with our shoulder workout. Let's do a recap. Dumbbell press, one arm overhead press, seated Arnold shoulder press, lateral raise, front lateral raise, and rear delt fly. Now let's move on to back exercises. Begin with lat pull-down machine. Grasp the handles with a wide grip with an overhand, knuckles up grip. Other positions and grips are possible, but start with this standard position. Squeeze the shoulder blades together while maintaining square shoulders. Continue to complete your program of sets. Next, seated rows for back. Sit upright on the bench and plant your feet on the floor or foot pads, knees bent. Extend your arms and hold the handles or cables. Move your shoulders back and down. Brace your core. Exhale. Bend your elbows to pull the handles or cables, keeping your elbows tucked in and your back neutral. Pause for 1 second. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps here. On our third back program, we will do seated cable row. Pull the handle and weight back toward the lower abdomen while trying not to use the momentum of the row too much by moving the torso backward with the arms. Return the handle toward under tension to full stretch, remembering to keep that back straight even though flexed at the hips. 3 sets, 12 reps here. Next, let's do body weight workout. Body weight workouts are low impact, easy to perform, and help strengthen lats without putting stress on your lower back. So people of all age groups and fitness levels can do them at home. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then we will do lat pull down. Start by sitting at a lat pull machine facing the bar. Reach up and grasp the bar a little wider than shoulder width. Extend your arms as much as you can without shrugging your shoulders or lifting off the seat. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Wow! So we will finish this monster shoulder and back workout with the barbell shrug. Stand up straight with your feet at shoulder width as you hold the barbell with both hands in front of you using a pronated grip, palms facing the thighs. Tip: your hands should be a little wider than shoulder width apart. You can use wrist wraps for this exercise for a better grip. This will be your starting position. Back and front shrug. 12 reps, 3 sets for each program. Wrapping up, we had lat pull down, seated rows, seated cable row, body weight, another lat pull down, and barbell shrugs. And that's it for our monster upper body workout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Might as well click the notification bell so that you will be updated for all my uploads.